For the final time this season, Arizona Stadium will host a Pac-12 football game as the Wildcats take on the Oregon State Beavers. Hi again, everyone. Welcome to senior night at the stadium, where 18 U of A players will see their final home game as the Cats seek their 7th win of the season. With 3 games remaining, the Arizona program has a chance to strengthen its bowl position and send the seniors out in style. Tonight's opponent is just hoping to find some late season success in what has become a disappointing and somewhat rocky campaign. Since Khalil Tate took over at quarterback, the Cats' offense has been sizzling. Over the last 5 games, the Wildcats are averaging 46 points, now ranked 4th nationally in scoring offense. However, the offense has been scoring so quickly, the Cats' defense has been on the field more than anyone would like. In the last 2 weeks, Washington State and USC have both put up over 600 yards of offense. It would be helpful if that number could be lowered tonight. Here they come. Tate fires down the middle. Caught TJ Johnson inside the 10-yard line. It'll be 1st and goal, Arizona at the 6.
And touchdown Wildcats, Wilson.
Handoff will let Nall, and Nall's going nowhere. The Wildcats smother him at the 29-yard line. That is a loss of 4 on the play. 9.5 yards per carry tonight. This time a handoff. J.J. Taylor breaks it inside the 30. Taylor down to the 20. Weaves his way to the 15. Still loose near the 10. Finally brought down just shy of the 10-yard line. So second down handoff. There's Zach Green. And guess what? He's in the end zone. Touchdown, Arizona.
The battering ram, Zach Green, you know what he does on the goal line. He scores touchdowns. Great job, Arizona. Right up the gut. 13-0.
Tate will keep it. Tate gets the first down. Dancing, breaking the tackle inside the 10. 5. He dives to the end zone. Touchdown, Arizona.
That's a big-time play. Khalil Tate goes into contact, breaks the tackle, and just comes out the other end. A spectacular run by Khalil Tate.
Take the snap, handoff, Null, right-hand side, and there's Derek Bowles to pull him down for almost no gain. There's the snap out of the shotgun. Garrettson back. Here comes the rush. Schooler's got him, sacks him back at the 45-yard line. And the handoff again will go to Taylor. Taylor breaks at 40. Midfield, J.J. Taylor flying downfield to the 25 to the 20. Cuts left and just caught from behind inside the 20-yard line. First down, Arizona. And Tate on the reverse play goes to Tony Ellison. Loses a man at the 25 down to the 20. 15-10 to the 5 to the house. Touchdown, Arizona. Tony Ellison. Now the shotgun, he'll take the snap, looking to throw. The screen set up to Null, and he spilled for a loss on the play. Back at the 29, Cats smelled that one out. And the keeper, Tate left side, Tate out to 35, Tate to the 40, Tate to midfield, Tate down the far sideline, to the 30, 20, 15, 10, 5. Big play, touchdown Arizona, Khalil Tate.
You knew it was going to happen. You knew at some point he was going to explode on this defense, and he picked a great time to do it. Incredible speed, untouched for a touchdown.
Zach Green to his right in the backfield. Guess who gets the ball? Zach Green into the end zone. Touchdown, Arizona.
Batter ram. You can't stop him.
Dawkins will take the snap. He'll keep it rolling to the right. Gets a block into the end zone. Touchdown, Arizona. Dawkins with his 7th rushing touchdown of the year. Down in 3. Garrettson hands up to Pearson. He's smothered in the backfield. Nowhere to go.
Garrettson intercepted by Lorenzo Burns. And Burns is all about that action right now.
Clock runs out. The Wildcats run on to a school rushing record and their 7th win. The seniors go out in glory. Wildcats 49, Beavers 28. That's your final here at the stadium. On the road for the final 2, and then we're going bowling.
Hey, man, hey, great job tonight. Hey, listen, all right, be safe. We got a lot at stake in the next 2 weeks, but I'm really proud of you seniors. Make sure you guys give those seniors a hug. You know, they're going to remember this game, and they're going to remember this season the rest of their lives, and they deserve it. So give them a round of applause right there. Take care of yourselves. Take care of your teammates tonight, your brothers tonight. Let's get this fight song going, seniors. Let's go, baby.
A 1, a 2, a 1, 2, 3, Bears!